Hi, thank you for your purchase from the Clock Peddler. This tutorial is to show you the proper way to unpack, set up, and run your Ansonia Clock Company Gingerbread clock.
When you receive the clock, it will be wrapped in bubble wrap along with a pendulum and key. We're also including a small bubble level so you can find whether the clock is level on the surface. When you get the clock, once it's unwrapped, the pendulum rod leader will be disabled with this rubber band. So just take off the rubber band by pulling the thumbtack out and then take down the rubber band. Now the pendulum is an adjustable pendulum for the timing. The higher this is on the shaft, the faster the clock will run, the lower the slower. You accomplish that by turning the nut to either raise or lower it. Small increments are best. Hanging the pendulum is accomplished by hanging it right on the hook that's behind the die. It is an 8-day clock, so you'll wind it once a week. The right-hand side is the time, and that winds counterclockwise. The clock will be fully wound when you receive it. The left-hand side is a strike, and that winds clockwise. Starting the pendulum is done by just giving a little push, and you'll hear it ticking. To set the hands, turn the hands clockwise, slow down as you approach the half hour, and allow it to strike. Move up to the hour, again, slow down, allow it to strike. Maintenance should be done every 2 to 3 years by a clock professional.
We hope you enjoy your clock and visit our Etsy shop again.